Hello again, and greetings from Japan. Here is another very nice grade 4B 2006 April Toyota-Alphard MS Limited. It has 68,000 kilometers, which is the equivalent of 42,000 miles. And again, it's just another very clean car. It has the standard factory 17-inch alloys, and it has the dealer option winker mirrors. It has the smart access on the driver door. It's just a very clean example. Another lovely example of the car. The standard muffler. As you can see, it's got optional rear bumper and front bumper lip spoiler, which kind of gives it a nice finishing touch. It's quite unusual. We don't get too many with that feature. Of course, the rear spoiler, privacy glass, is standard. This one, being an MS, has the full factory aero kit, and as you can see, also has the lip on the front bumper as well, plus fog lights and HID and AFS headlights. Also very clear, clean grille, perfect chrome, absolutely nothing marked there. Just a nice, really nice example. Okay, so let's demonstrate. This one has dual remote power slide doors. The car is unlocked, so let's demonstrate the doors. There's the offside door. There's the near side door. Okay, just take a quick peep in the back while the doors are open. This car comes with full pleather, very good quality pleather seat covers in very nice condition throughout the car, which some seat covers we're not so keen on, but these are particularly nice. It also has a full set of curtains throughout the car, including dividing curtains between the front and the rear. And it has, of course, it has the sunroofs. Okay, shut the doors again. Okay, near side. These controls for the doors can either be from the remote keys or from the driver's seat. There are controls by the driver for the sliding doors. And let's just have a little peep in the back. Just take a little look. It's got the dealer option rear luggage mat with a very nice clean carpet underneath. Of course, the seats fold up into the sides, and the middle seats, as on all Alphards, are reversible to face the back if that's what you like. Okay, and let's take a look at let's start the engine. As I say, it's got 68,000 kilometers or 42,000 miles. It has a 3-litre V6 engine. Okay, what features does it have? It has cruise control. It has front cameras and of course rear cameras, which I can demonstrate. We go into reverse. You've got your rear camera. If I put it in drive, you can get the front cameras as well. It gives 3 views, the sides and the very front. It also has tweeter speakers on the front pillars. Got a large display. It's the audio is HDD and CD, both working perfectly. No problem with that. It's got a sunroof. The rear one opens all the way. And it also has the front glass roof, which also tilts. It's another non-smoker car. There's no signs that the car has ever been smoked in. 0 signs. It also has a aftermarket security system that comes with a remote control unit and a battery charger, and it comes with it as well. And it has lane control. You can turn that on and off. In other words, if you start to drift on the highway, it'll warn you when you leave the lane. It'll give you a beep to warn you you're leaving the lane, which is a useful thing on occasions. It's I think, as you noticed, it had automatic folding mirrors, where you can do them manually as well, of course. But they do fold and unfold automatically when you lock and unlock the car. I'll show you the quality of the driver's seat. As I say, it's got these pleather seats throughout. Take a look at the engine bay. There again, very clear, very clean motor. Just nice, very nice condition. Just a lovely car. And then we'll just take a look at the auction sheet. As mentioned, it's here we go. It's a grade 4B. Mentions the dual power doors, and so here's the auction sheet for this car. As I said, it's a auction grade 4B, which is about as good as you get. that you can get for this age of car. It's a 2006 April M&H 10 3-litre MS Limited with 68,000 kilometers or 42,000 miles. And basically, the description is everything we just said. Basically, keyless entry. It has smart entry, smart locking, and double power slide doors, HID lights. It has some kind of leatherette type seats. Make a HD Navi back monitor, and here it has got original carpets. I'll try. These are the seat covers, and what else was that? No. Oh, God, can't read his writing. And then the last line is it's got 8 Toyota service history records, Kilokabo. Anyway, and then here it says it's got the seat covers are a little bit worn. The ceiling, well, the ceiling is actually perfect. I don't know what that comment is. Handle and the gear knob, shift knob is a little bit worn. Small scratches, small dents. As I say, they cover themselves on a 4B car. Anyway, it's yeah, the car is just nice. Grade 4B. Thank you.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.